Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is apparition. It is pronounced A-P-R-I-T-I-O-N, and it is spelt A-P-P-A-R-I-T-I-O-N. Think app, then AR, and then ition. An apparition is a ghost or ghost-like image of a person. For example, you could say, he was startled by the apparition of a soldier riding a white horse. Apparition comes from the Latin word apparitionem, meaning an appearance. An apparition still means an appearance today, however, it's more specific and refers to only the appearance of a ghost or ghostly figure. In Charles Dickens's A Christmas Carol, cold-hearted Ebenezer Scrooge has a change of heart after being visited by several ghostly apparitions in the form of the ghosts of Christmas past, present, and future. The ghosts show him the error of his ways and the future that awaits him if he doesn't change. Apparition is a noun, and therefore the name of something. For example, you could say, Scrooge cowered under his bedsheets, hiding from the second apparition to visit him that night. Apparition is defined in the dictionary as the spirit of a dead person, appearing in a form that can be seen. Apparition synonyms include ghost, phantom, spectre, spirit, wraith, vision, and spook. Antonyms include certainty, fact, reality, truth, animate, and being. Now, I'm sure you won't see an apparition today, but if you read a ghost story or see a spooky ghost on the TV, impress your friends and family by using your new word today, apparition. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.